In CNC, computer numerical control machines, cutting tools are used to remove material from a workpiece to shape it as required. These tools vary depending on the operation, milling, turning, drilling, etc., the material being cut, and the desired finish. Here's an overview of the main types of cutting tools used in CNC machining. Wrench emoji, main types of CNC cutting tools. 1. Turning tools, used in CNC lathes. External turning tool, for reducing diameter. Boring bar, for enlarging internal diameters. Parting tool, for cutting off a part. Threading tool, for cutting threads. Grooving tool, for internal or external grooves. 2. Milling tools, used in CNC milling machines. End mill, flat bottom, used for slotting, contouring. Ball nose end mill, rounded end, used for 3D contouring. Face mill, for large, flat surfaces. Slab mill, for heavy cutting on horizontal milling. Corner radius mill, with slightly rounded corners for improved tool life. 3. Drilling tools. Twist drill, standard drill bit. Center drill, for starting holes precisely. Countersink tool, for chamfering hole entries. Counterbore tool, for flat bottom holes. Reamer, for precise hole sizing. 4. Tapping tools. Hand tap, machine tap, for creating internal threads. Thread mill, for CNC thread milling, more accurate than tapping. 5. Cut-off tools. For separating finished parts from raw material, in turning. 6. Grooving tools. For making narrow grooves or recesses. Toolbox emoji, other specialized tools. Inserts, carbide or ceramic, used in tool holders for turning or milling. Form tools, for specific shapes, complex profiles. Engraving tools, for fine detailing or lettering. Fly cutter, single point tool for large surface facing. Threading inserts, for both internal and external threads. Hammer and wrench emoji, based on material. High-speed steel, HSS. Carbide tools. Ceramic tools. CBN, cubic boron nitride. PCD, polycrystalline diamond, for non-ferrous and composite. White check mark emoji, in summary. There are 6 to 8 major categories of CNC cutting tools, but if you count individual types and variations, there are 30+ specific tools used in CNC machining. Let me know if you want a PDF version of this, a table format, images or diagrams of each tool, or which tool is best for which material, like aluminum, steel, etc.